Hi, this is Mandeep Singh, founder of mandeeps.com. In this short video, we will install our Live Utilities module and activate it. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and log in as a host or super user. And once I'm logged in, I'm going to go to Host, Extensions. From here, I'm going to click on Install Extension Wizard. And then I'm going to choose the install file that I want to install. So after you download Live Utilities package from our site or DNN store, what you want to do is extract or unzip the zip file. Once you unzip it, you will see a folder structure that looks like this. You'll have a documentation folder, and you'll have the install files folder. So what we're interested in the install file, and you will see there's a bunch of different installation files available here. We want to install the one that's appropriate for our .NET Nuke version. For example, I am running .NET Nuke 7.1.1, so that's 7.1.1. So I'm going to go ahead and install DNN 710. This basically tells me use this installation file on any .NET Nuke version that's 7.1.0 or greater. So if I was running 7.0.5, for example, I would go to DNN 7, which tells me use this install file for any .NET Nuke 7.0 or greater. Similarly, if you're in DNN 5, use this. If you're running DNN 5.6.2 plus, use this. If you're on DNN 6, use this, and if you're running DNN 6.2 plus, use this. So I'm going to go ahead and install this one. I'm going to just copy the path here so it's easier for me to look it up. Let's go ahead and hit choose file, paste that in, and I'm going to say 7.1.0 is the one I want to install. So click on next, next again. I'm going to go ahead and accept the license agreement, and at this point our module should be installed. It says installation successful. So that's it. That's really how easy it is to install Live Utilities. What I'm going to do next is go ahead and add it on a page and activate it as well. So let's do that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add the Live Utilities module to the Manage Users page, and we'll see why in a subsequent video. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and go to Modules, add new module, and grab the Live Utilities module. There it is. I'm going to drag it down here. Okay, so after I add the module to the page, I am prompted to select an edition. We'll go ahead and choose standard edition in this case, and we'll just go ahead and continue with continue trial for the moment. Okay, so now we have the Live Utilities module here, and I'm just going to go ahead and go to edit this page just to confirm that we are running this in a trial, and we can go ahead and activate the license. I'm going to do that in a short while, but what I want to show first is there are some limitations when you're running a module in trial mode. One of the limitations is you can only use the module for 14 days. After that, you will have to activate to continue to use the module. Now, another limitation is if you're importing or exporting data, the import-export is only limited to 10 records while you're in trial mode. So it will not export or import more than 10 records at a time if you're running a trial version. So you will have to purchase a license key for you to actually export everything in your site or import all your data. Alright, having said that, let's go ahead and activate this module. So I'm going to go ahead and click Activate License. For me to see this, I need to be in Edit mode. Make sure I'm logged in as a host or super user. Once you're here, just go ahead and click on Activate Module. Assuming you already purchased a license through DNN store or our site. If you have not, you can click this and it will redirect you to our site. If you've already purchased a license, you can go and request activation key. Here you would type in your email address that's associated with your purchase and hit request activation key. An activation key will be emailed to you immediately, and once you have that email, you can go ahead and move on to step 3, which is to apply the activation key. So let me go ahead and get my activation key from my email, and I'll paste it right here. Okay, so I have my activation key. I'm going to go ahead and paste that here. I'm going to go ahead and hit apply activation key, and it says our license has been activated. So that's it. That's really it is to install Live Utilities and activate your module. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or concerns, please do open the support ticket.